Welcome to the M300 RTK tutorials. This video will show you how to use the Primary Flight Display (PFD) feature. Link the remote controller with the aircraft and launch DJI Pilot app. Tap the FPV display on the main interface, and you can view information provided by PFD. In the PFD interface, the plus icon is the heading indicator that is always in the middle of the camera view. Two horizontal lines reflect the attitude of the aircraft. When the aircraft is in a horizontal attitude, the heading indicator and the horizontal lines form a straight line. The flight path vector shows the position where the aircraft will fly to. The straight line connecting the heading indicator and the flight path vector shows the flight direction. On the left, you can see the current flight speed, wind speed, and wind direction. The right list shows the altitude of the aircraft relative to the takeoff point, the vertical speed of the aircraft, and the absolute altitude from sea level. The vertical obstacle indicator displays the vertical obstacle information. The drone can detect obstacles within 30 meters above and below. When the aircraft detects an obstacle, the indicator will display the distance between the obstacle and the aircraft. The indicator bar shortens when the aircraft gets closer to the obstacle. Please take timely measures to avoid flight safety accidents. The compass-like navigation display at the bottom reflects aircraft orientation and horizontal obstacle information. The red arrow represents the aircraft nose and is always pointing upward. The short line is the horizontal speed vector. It points at the current flight direction. Length of the line indicates flight speed. The line disappears when the aircraft hovers. The number on the top of the navigation display shows the angle between the aircraft orientation and the true north. The colored icons indicate orientation of the gimbals relative to the aircraft. You can check the gimbal model of each icon in the image transmission settings page. Parameters around the navigation display respectively show the distance of laser target, PIN point, and takeoff point from the aircraft. The light color areas within the compass are obstacle avoidable areas of the aircraft on the 4 horizontal directions, and the dark color areas are the blind spots. To ensure flight safety, do not let the flight path vector enter the dark color areas. When the aircraft detects an obstacle, it automatically displays the obstacle area. Please take timely measures to avoid flight safety accidents. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.